Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. The latest news is that the new next generation Ford Everest SUV, or the Endeavour as we know it in India, has been spotted testing on public roads. This third generation 7-seat SUV has been spotted testing on Australian roads, which is also one among the key markets for the Ford Everest or the Endeavour 7-seat SUV. Moreover, Australia is also where Ford has one of its R&D centers, where the second generation Ford Everest was also developed. Earlier in 2019, a couple images of the supposed 2022 Ford Ranger pickup were leaked online. Since the Ford Everest is a 7-seat SUV based on the Ranger pickup, we also expect the next generation Everest to be based on this new Ranger as well. The front fascia is expected to be aggressive, with design elements carried over from the F-150 pickup, along with new elements like the chrome bracket running across the width of the car and the C-shaped signature headlamps integrated with LED DRLs. The front bumpers could also receive large bull bar-like elements to complete the aggressive look of the SUV. Going by the leaked images, the Ford Ranger along with the Ford Everest is also likely to receive projector fog lamps along with a metal bash plate at the front. This new third generation Ford Everest or the Endeavour is likely to be longer and wider than the outgoing model. However, in the spy shots, the car appears to be running on 18-inch alloy wheels similar to the current generation Everest. The rear design too is expected to be completely new, with the signature design C-shaped LED elements and new split wraparound tail lamps. Talking about platform, this new Ford Endeavour or the Everest will be based on an all-new ladder frame architecture, which will also be used by Volkswagen for the next generation Amarok. This new 2022 Ford Everest SUV is likely to offer a 2-liter twin-turbo diesel engine, along with the single-turbo version being sold in India. Both these engines are likely to be mated to the very same 10-speed torque converter automatic transmission. And just like the current generation Ford Endeavour or the Everest, a 4-wheel drive system will also be on offer, at least on the top spec variants. In terms of features and technology, the new Ford Endeavour or the Everest is expected to offer even larger touchscreens and a fully digital instrument cluster, offering Ford's latest Sync 4 system along with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity. Along with that, this new SUV is also likely to offer dual-zone automatic climate control, a massive panoramic sunroof, power-adjustable driver and front passenger seats, multiple color ambient mode lighting, complete leather upholstery, a 360-degree surround view camera, along with some advanced driver assist systems, including blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. This new third-generation 2022 Ford Endeavour or the Everest SUV is likely to be unveiled by early 2022 and will initially go on sale in Australia and the Asian markets. Stay tuned for further updates on this new third-generation 2022 Ford Endeavour or the Everest SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajay signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.